Up School, Up RSS. My name is Adekoya Francis Adedeji, the National Social Secretary for RSSOSA. I'm here to tell you that the Aso Ebi for 80th anniversary of our great school is available in the Secretariat and is ready for grab.
Up School, Up RSS. I'm here this morning to announce the arrival of the Aso Ebi that was specifically designed for the RSS at 80 celebration. I want to invite all students of RSS to partake in this special anniversary. 80 years of excellence, 80 years of resilience, and 80 years of very rich legacy that RSS has. We've designed this specially for you, so please join us in wearing the green-yellow pride and be part of that celebration. You don't want to miss out on this very historic celebration. Be part of it. Join us. Buy this for yourself, buy for your family, buy for your friends, and even buy for your classmates. And I want to assure you that the very first senior girl of RSS, Chief Mrs. Awobokun, is going to be part of this celebration. In fact, she has already ordered a whole bundle of this. So be there. Don't be left out.
Èyí ni láti sọ fún gbogbo àgbáyé pé aṣọ RSS ó ti dé. Òun lẹ̀ ń wò yìí. Ṣé ládìídì ṣe aṣọ yìí àkànṣe ni wọ́n ń pè fún 80th anniversary tí a fẹ́ ṣe. Ọlọ́run á ràn gbogbo yín lọ́wọ́. Ẹ wá máa rà á ṣe ti rí báyìí pé èyí tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí mo sure pé wọ́n ti rà á tán ká tó gbede wọ́n ti sanwó ẹ̀. So ẹ̀yin tó kù ẹ má jáfira. Up School, Up RSS.
Alabama, Georgia. Sota. Yeah, for me cause. I do bevele do marry, I do pay for love. Now you give me the package, so make nobody come table.
Once again, it is time for celebration. Celebrating our school, our great school at 80. Remo Secondary School, Shagamu, is 80 years old. For that special celebration, this is the uniform once again. And the uniform is for all of us. Great Rosans, friends of Rosans, our spouses, our children, our grandchildren. Let's come together and celebrate a great legacy. Remo Secondary School, Shagamu, the first co-educational secondary school in the whole of West Africa. You can get this through your class governors. And you make payments through the social secretary, the social treasurer for this great association. We'll be expecting you. We'll be waiting for you. All of us together. The Lord will keep us. The Lord will preserve us. We will celebrate together. Up School!